Hello from the Bureau. It is Thursday the 12th of December, another day, another night, another risk of potential heavy rain, flooding and thunderstorms across the Queensland coast. We'll start by looking at the radar imagery from this morning. Just ignore a few little glitches out here over the water, instead focusing on these cells which have been on and near the Queensland coast last night, overnight and this morning. There was one very heavy cell that went through Cairns, brought an incredible 109 millimetres of rain in an hour to the airport there, with some significant weather also impacting Townsville, Innisfail and Mackay. A little further south, the weather has cleared up. It's really the central coast and the northeast coast where our focus lies at the moment, and that will continue through the rest of the day, Thursday and into Friday. In particular, through Thursday afternoon, keep your eye on this dashed blue line. That's a coastal trough which gets very close to the Whitsundays, and potentially tonight or overnight could push onshore somewhere near the Mackay Central Coast area. If that trough does tilt onshore, it will likely amplify potential rain in that region, leading to heavy falls and possible flooding overnight tonight and through Friday morning. Here's a look at accumulated rainfall so we can get an idea of which places may see the most significant wet weather, and perhaps we'll zoom in a little bit. It's hard to say with precision at this stage who will get the most rain, but the current best forecast suggests the heaviest falls likely to be between Mackay and Townsville, with Bowen potentially being one of those areas that could be in the firing line for heavy accumulations. The top of the scale on this map goes to 150 millimetres of rain, and over the next 24 hours we could certainly see that much or more if this coastal trough pushes onshore. Over 200 millimetres, with isolated areas being significantly higher, are not out of the question. These significant rainfall accumulations are not just at the coastline either. We can also see some quite large accumulations pushing inland to parts of the central and northern highlands of interior Queensland. Some of the most significant weather impacts that come with heavy rain such as this absolutely do include flooding of homes, properties, parks and pathways, all a possibility there. If we get water over roads, that can lead to dangerous driving conditions, road closures and long detours, potential isolation in the worst case scenario, and we may see damage to infrastructure like power outages and possible problems with drainage. A look ahead to the weekend will show that the trough moves back offshore, but it's still close to the Queensland coast. That will mean further showers and storms over the water, and at times those further showers and storms will touch central and northern parts of the Queensland coast as well, although at this stage any further wet weather through Saturday and Sunday does not look to be anywhere near as heavy as the potential rain coming in overnight tonight. So if you are on the central coast or the northeast coast of Queensland throughout the next 24 hours, do keep a close eye on your weather forecast and any potential weather warnings or thunderstorm warnings for your area, as it could indeed get very, very wet. All that information will be available on the Bureau website and app. Thanks for watching and stay safe.